Welcome to Ecoleave, a web-based leave management system. This tutorial is about a HR tutorial, which may help the HR department to have a better understanding and manage their employee, using the Ecoleave system. After log in the system, a unique dashboard will show up on user screen to display employees' leave. When you scroll down, you can see a table of pending leave. In this table, you can update employees' status by clicking on the action option on the right-hand side. To modify the detail of the employee, just click on the Setup option on the navigation bar. In this page, the user will find 5 different types of tasks to manage their employee. This included employee, approver, holiday and leave, messaging, and lastly the department's option. Now, I will show you how to create a new employee. First, select and click on Create Employee option. Then, key in all the personal detail of the employee. This included employee code, employee name, contact number, and so on. Click on the Next button to continue. In this section, you will need to key in another personal detail of the employee. After that, click on the Next button to proceed. In this section, you will need to fill in the detail for government matter. This included employees' bank details, tax details, and so on. After fill in all the information, click on the Next button to continue. In the last section, just select employee's supervisor and rest day for the employee. Lastly, click on the Submit button, and the new employee will be added to the system. Now, I will show you how to edit the employee. First, click on the Edit Employee option. Then, a list of employees' personal information will be displayed on the screen. To edit employee detail, just click on the Edit option on the right-hand side of the page. And the password can also be edited or reset by the admin if there are any update regarding to the information. For more information, call us now at 6032148767 or www.ecoleave.com.